Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman po ang kaibigan nyo si Jay. Kamusta na po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Ano bang topic natin for today na pwede nating pag-usapan guys? Life is all about, is not about luck, no? Ang buhay kasi ng tao guys, no? Akala natin paswerte-swerte lang, pero hindi naman pala. Meron taong parang ang buhay nila yun lang, iniisip nila paswertihan lang, medyo minamalas ako sa ngayon, maybe in some point, pero sa akin guys, no, opinion ko lang po ito ha. Ang buhay natin guys, hindi po yun swerte, no, palagi. We have a destination but we have to work on it. Hard way, hard work, determination tayo, resilience, no, pagtitimpi, at being honest, not only for ourselves but also to other people that we interact with. Kasi kung iasa lang natin sa luck ang ating kapalaran, nako guys, most likely we will fail. Because luck will add only for the things that we do. For example, nagtatrabaho ka na maganda, your performance is very good. Time will come, ma-recognition ng company or government, no? Mabigyan ka ng award or promotions. So what is the end result there? Promotions and recognition. Because of your hard work and dedication to your work. Hindi naman yun luck. Kasi kung luck lang, kahit hindi ka nagtatrabaho, kasi maswerte ka, mapapromote ka. Not unless pasip-sip ka, no? Just kidding guys. So our life is not all about luck, no, or being lucky. So tandaan natin, whatever decisions that we made, it is not all good. May mga palpak tayong decision, but nevertheless laban lang tayo sa buhay. Laban tayo ng patas. At saka we always acknowledge God whatever we do, no. So yun lang po guys, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-follow sa mga video ko dito sa Facebook and YouTube channel. I really appreciate guys, no. Malaking bagay na po ito ang inyong tulong sa akin. Okay? So yun lang po. See you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching. Ito naman po ang kaibigan nyo si Jake. Paalam guys.